I go to the gym. I go to the gym. Today is leg day. Today is leg day. I lift heavy weights. I lift heavy weights. Time to warm up. Time to warm up. I start with cardio. I start with cardio. I run on treadmill. I run on treadmill. I drink some water. I drink some water. This is a dumbbell. This is a dumbbell. Do 10 push-ups. Do 10 push-ups. That feels very good. That feels very good. I need more energy. I need more energy. Rest for 1 minute. Rest for 1 minute. Focus on your form. Focus on your form. My muscles are tired. My muscles are tired. Do 3 more sets. Do 3 more sets. Great workout today, friend. Great workout today, friend. I use the bench. I use the bench. Stretch your arms now. Stretch your arms now. Is this machine free? Is this machine free? Yes, you can use. Yes, you can use. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. I feel very strong. I feel very strong. Time to go home. Time to go home. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning. Keep up the work. Keep up the work.